Alright, so we have our tags here, and this is for 3.11.3.0 test out lab. So let's get into it. Now we have our tags here. So the first thing we want to do is to go to the back of this CPU. We're going to remove this. Go to the back of the monitor. We remove this, and then we enter the motherboard. I'm going to zoom in so we see what we have inside the motherboard. We'll go over and we're going to see the tag says we should connect video card that meets customers' needs. Make sure to provide power to the card if necessary. Remove the existing video card from both the computer and monitor, and then we are going to connect a video card that has high definition video card. So let's check. High definition video card will be HDMI. So let's see which of them has video card. Let's see which of this has video cards. Nope, there is no video card here. Let's check this. Yep, we have HDMI here, high definition video card here, so we'll likely go for that one. For here we have we have core shell here and a couple of other connectors here, but I'm not sure we'll be needing that here. Why the other one? Let's see the connectors. There's no HDMI, so our card that we'll be using will be this one that has a video HDMI connector on it. So we remove the old one, so we fix in our new card here. This will be the connector here. That is the only place it's going to fit in. And then let's see what we have here. Does it require power? Yeah, right here you can see that there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin here. So there is a 6-pin connector here. That means it requires power. So let's go to our power supply pack and look for 6-pin connector. 6-pin connector. Let's see. Here we have a 6-pin connector. 3 on one end, 3 on the other end. Let's try out this. Yep, that is it. Our 6-pin connector is connected now. So we'll go to the back and then we'll go to our cable. We'll be needing HDMI cable since we connected HDMI card. So let's connect our HDMI cable to this slot, and then the other end we'll go to the back of the monitor. So the monitor has to face back, and then we'll connect this to the HDMI, and then we'll go back to the front. This has to be front, and then we'll power on, and this is turning on. So let's check our answers. You can see all of them are ticked good, 100%. So we've done the right thing. We'll go ahead and score lab. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon one time.